the House leadership here with our majority leader. Of course, I have to recognize the chairman of council, my wife, my one and only, our SDML, of course, all our deputy speakers who are there to the right, and all our chairs. And it's a great time to be here in front of the Batasan Pambansa as we celebrate the Yuletide season by the lighting of the Christmas lights. We had an earlier lighting by the of the Christmas lights sponsored by the Congressional Spouses Foundation. Congratulations to all of you. And well, I did away with this morning's speech, but I think they're mad at me, so I have to go through this prepared statement. No? So tonight, as we light our Christmas tree here in the House of Representatives, let us remember the real reason of our celebration, the birth of our Savior born in a humble manger. Over 2,000 years ago, who brought love and hope into the world with a simple message of peace on earth and goodwill to all mankind. Let us also give thanks that after 3 years of having to deal with the restrictions rising from the coronavirus, the pandemic, we now can celebrate and experience the joy of the Yuletide season with a little more degree of freedom and openness. Of course, let us remain vigilant and do the precautions to ensure that we would not go back to the dark days of the past. So, if you have to, wear your masks. It is in keeping with the spirit of the season that I have strived to give you a reason to smile this Christmas. As I said to you this morning, sinigurado ko natin na masaya ang Pasko natin ninyo. So we will make sure that all the bonuses and all the Christmas cheer will be shared. That's why I mentioned my wife, the chair of accounts, to make sure that that is released as soon as possible. Yeah. And to be extra generous, please, to all. We also have very, very good news, because after this, we'll repair back to the plenary, to the session hall, to ratify the bicameral report of the Appropriations Committee on the 2023 national budget. Congratulations. As you all know, you know what that means, that in a couple of days after its printing and its review, it will be ready for the President's signature for signing into law. And we all know that our good Secretary, Amina Pangandaman of the DBM, has promised that there will be a policy of no FLR. So I think that's a very, very good reason to cheer. This will help fully, get our economy going as soon as January month begins, and we can download all our projects and programs for our people. Anyway, so as we light this Christmas tree, let us remember to share the blessings that we received this Christmas and offer a generous hand to also those who need our help. Let's brighten up their lives, and to those whose Christmas may not be as glowing and as cheerful as ours. Let us also pray and remain hopeful that we can overcome the present challenges facing us, so that we may have a brighter and better tomorrow and a better New Year for all of us. Maligayang Pasko at masagalang bagong taon sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. And as I said before, I've always, had this prayer in my heart that we would be the best Congress. And I think the 19th Congress is off to a great start. You've started this 19th Congress, this first regular session, with a bang, with a hard work, and it's so much thanks that I have to give to all of you. You, the leadership, all the congressmen and congresswomen, and of course all the staff who made this all possible. And I know that you all do this because we are the House of Representatives, the House of the people, and we do this for the Filipino people. Our President, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., thank you for your leadership and your inspiration. Truly, we as a united country, we will rise again. Merry Christmas to all.
Thank you so much, House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, ready your cameras now. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as we witness the lighting of our Christmas tree and a grand pyro musical display.
Let's do this. It's a joint effort. As I said, it's a team effort. Even to light the Christmas tree. Ha? Parang basketball tayo dito. Parang jump ball na lang tayo dito. Ha? Please, everyone. Come on, get in on it. Ha? The more, the better.
Join us as we count in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, ma'am.